Welcome. This meditation is for sleep. If you are lying in bed with an anxious mind, racing thoughts, unable to relax, you are in the right place. My name is Dr. Nelson D'Souza, your mindfulness and your transformational spiritual coach. For the next 10 minutes, I will guide you into deep, peaceful, restorative sleep. Now, get comfortable, close your eyes, and let's begin. We will start with a powerful breathing technique designed to calm your nervous system and prepare your body for relaxed sleep. This is called 4-7-8 breathing. Now, breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold your breath for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now slowly exhale completely through your mouth as if you are blowing a birthday candle. Very slowly for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Let's do this 2 more times together. Slowly breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now slowly exhale through your mouth for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it one last time. Breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath for a count of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. Now notice how your body is already beginning to relax. Your breathing is becoming slower, deeper, more natural. Now we'll release all the tension from your body, starting with your face. Just relax your eyebrows. Let go of any furring, any tightness. Just let them loose. Let loose your eyelids. Just relax your eyelids. Just leave them loose. Unclench your jaw. Just let your jaw loosen up. Let your mouth fall slightly open. Your tongue resting softly at the bottom of your mouth. Soften your eyes behind your closed lids. Let them sink deeper into their sockets. Now your neck and shoulders. Drop your shoulders, let them loose, away from your ears. Feel the weight of your arms pulling them down, heavy, relaxed. Your chest rising and falling with each breath, softer now, easier, no effort required. Your stomach soft, loose, releasing any tightness, any holding. Your hips, your legs, feel them sinking into the mattress. Heavy, like they are made of lead. So heavy, you couldn't move them, even if you wanted to. Your feet, your toes, completely relaxed. Loose, limb, relaxed. Loose, limb, relaxed. Your entire body is now deeply, profoundly relaxed. Relaxed. Now, I want you to imagine a shelf. This is your worry shelf, a safe place where you can place all your concerns, all your anxious thoughts for the night. In your mind, see this shelf. You can think or imagine. It can look however you like, wooden or glass, floating in space. Now, one by one, take each worry, each rising thought, and place it gently on the shelf. That work deadline or work pressure, place it on the shelf. That conversation you keep replaying, place it on the shelf. That relationship argument that you had with your partner, just keep it on the shelf. All the negative things are going on in your mind, place it on the shelf. That thing you forgot to do, place it on the shelf. Any fear about tomorrow, place it on the shelf. These worries will still be there in the morning if you need them. However, right now, they are not yours to carry. See yourself walking away from the shelf, feeling lighter, freer, unburdened. Your mind is now quiet, spacious, peaceful. Imagine now a warm golden light appearing at the top of your head, shining bright golden light at the top of your head. This light is like a warm blanket, heavy, comforting, safe. Feel it slowly moving down over your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, bringing deep relaxation and sleepiness. Now, the more you try to be awake, the more you will feel sleepy and you will enter into a deep sleepy state. The golden light moves down your neck, slowly across your shoulders, down your arms, to your fingertips. Everywhere it touches, you feel heavier, sleepier, more relaxed. Now it goes down your chest, your stomach. Feel the weight of this warm light like a heavy blanket pressing you gently into the bed. Down your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your ankles, your feet. Your entire body is now covered in this warm, heavy, golden light. You are safe. You are comfortable. You are ready for sleep. With each breath, you sink deeper into relaxation, deeper into sleep. Your body knows how to sleep. You don't have to try. You don't have to do anything. Just let go. Surrender to sleep. You are now breathing in peace and breathing out tension. Breathing in calm, breathing out worry. You are now drifting, floating on a cloud of peace. So relaxed, so comfortable, so ready for deep, restorative sleep. Let yourself drift away into sleep, peaceful sleep. Sleep now. Sleep. 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 Sleep.